Forests are the lungs of our Earth, but every second trees are cut down. Deforestation destroys habitats, fuels climate change, and leaves our planet gasping for air.
The choices we make today decide tomorrow. If we continue wasting resources, Earth's beauty will fade. But if we act now, we can protect nature and secure a brighter future.
The future is in our hands. Small changes, saving water, planting trees, using clean energy, create a powerful impact. Together, we can transform Earth's story from destruction to hope.